The ZOLLER control software computer-aided balancing with the texture graphic display guides the user intuitively through the measurement and balancing process. The machine is set up by entering the tool geometry data. All data is stored in the database and is also subsequently available again. All balancing applications on 1 to 2 balance planes are available for use via corresponding software options, such as fixed location compensation with balancing screws, or the use of balancing rings, or balancing by material removal, such as drilling or milling.